Bulavinaka, Fiji, welcome to your most favorite night of television. This is Jejemon. A very good evening and namaste to you as you join me from around the country tonight. Our viewers joining us tonight in the sugar city of Bottega and nearby surrounding areas. Great to have your company tonight. We begin our show this evening with the Fijian Fashion Festival model castings that took place in the jet-set city of Nadi. With a successful turnout in the capital city, the organizers for this inaugural event held a casting in the West to select models to walk for some of the country's top designers at the newest fashion event to take center stage on June 1st and 2nd at the Grand Pacific Hotel in Suva. Let's check the Nadi castings out.
Hi Fiji, my name is Julia Verambasanga and I'm from Kandavo.
Hello Fiji, my name is Gabriel R. I'm from Tavioni.
Bula Fiji, my name is Koe Sido and I'm from the Ba province.
Bula Fiji, my name is Karina Hiralal and I come from the Ba province.
Bula Fiji, my name is Marian Wong and I'm from Tailevu.
Bula Fiji, my name is Kyle Kava and I hail from the beautiful kingdom of Tonga.
Because I was supposed to go to the one in Suva, but then I woke up late, so yeah, my cousin told me about this one, so I attended.
This is my dream, so...
I've always been into fashion since a young age and I wanted to try something new.
I auditioned today because my friends and my family encouraged me to.
Why I auditioned was because I think I have the potential, and I've always wanted this when I was young, so every family member of mine told me, like, they encouraged me to go, so that's why I attended this audition.
I auditioned today because my brothers had the audition in Suva, so they pushed me to come to this one in Nadi, so mom also pushed me, so that's why I'm here today.
I have another cousin that's she already got through to the one in Suva, so she'll help me with the preparation for the modeling.
I'll try and keep myself fit and I have a lot of friends that have already gotten into Fiji Fashion Week, so I would definitely ask them for some pointers.
Basically, if I was selected, I would ask my brother Dylan. He does modeling for Style Fiji and stuff. So yeah, basically me and my elder brother are new to this, so we'll just look to Dylan for advice and stuff like that.
I'll prepare by probably watching some other models walk on the runways.
I'll probably just watch videos online and try and get some skills from there so that I can improve my modeling life.
I'll practice on my runway by watching YouTube.
I like Adriana Lima, she's just fierce, and I like Tommy Hilfiger. I like their line of clothing, it's so hip and all.
My favorite model, I really like Kate Moss. I think she's so elegant and poised. For my favorite designers, I definitely like Gucci and Gabbana. They're very in style right now.
Yeah, it's Samson Lee. I like his design and all those.
My favorite model is Gigi Hadid. She's so beautiful and she's a role model to me. And I really do love Louis Vuitton. Their styles are absolutely amazing.
My favorite designer would be Versace. I like their clothes. And for a model would be Kendall Jenner.
At the moment, I just started modeling, so I don't have any favorites yet. So as I go on, then maybe I'll get to know some designers and models. So yeah.
Hi Fiji, my name is Julia.
I'm Gabriel Are.
I'm Chloe Cito.
My name's Karina.
My name is Marian Wong.
I'm Kyle Cover.
And I'm
Keeping it Cheche.
Jejemon.
Model hopefuls standing up to impress organizers at the Nadi leg of the Fijian Fashion Festival model castings. The inaugural fashion event will take place on June 1st and 2nd at the Grand Pacific Hotel in Suva, and tickets will go on sale soon. Of course, all the runaway action will be aired right here on Jejemon, as FBC TV is the exclusive television partner this year. So, if you live outside of Suva, good news for you. Right, time for a short break. Join me in Levuka next. It's our monthly postcard, and we showcase some of the shopping attractions the old capital of Fiji has to offer. See you soon.